Brush, brush, brush your teeth, keep them clean and bright. Morning, evening, every day, make your smile shine light. Zoom, zoom, and welcome to the Flossy Fact Show. I'm Kyanch, and join me on this fantastic adventure with my great friend Aniket. And get ready because we have the one and only Dr. Dahiya with us. He sure is a real tooth wizard. Today, we are going to learn all about how to take amazing care of our teeth and keep those pearly whites happy. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So, what do we have today? You have any tooth related questions for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please go ahead.
It's time to test your tooth knowledge. I'm going to read some statements and you tell me whether it's a fact, give a thumbs up,
Okay.
or fiction, give thumbs down.
Okay.
Then sir will tell us the real deal. You only need to brush your teeth once a day.
What do you think? We need to brush twice
Oh, sir.
daily. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
After eating lots of candies, brushing extra hard will stop cavities?
No.
Okay, sir. But the hardest part of our entire body is our tooth enamel.
Yes. It is tooth enamel. It's a fact.
Okay, sir. It's time for fun rounds called Choose or Dare. But don't worry, no dares here. Just some cool facts and questions.
Okay.
What are teeth made of? Are they just bones?
No, they are made up of mainly minerals. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Why do we lose baby teeth?
Because the baby teeth are very small in size, and when we are young kids, the jaw is also smaller in size. So we need smaller teeth in smaller jaws, and we need bigger teeth for bigger jaws. So that is why we lose milk teeth and the permanent comes out.
Oh, it was like that, sir. I didn't know. What happens if I eat lots of sweets?
The sweet, whenever we consume, it will stay in your mouth for some time and it will attack the most important tooth structure or the tooth layer that is called as enamel. Okay? So once we lose the strongest layer, the strongest covering of the tooth are very soft inside. Okay?
Okay,
So the
sir.
more sugar, more cavities and we will start losing our teeth.
Okay, sir.
Yes?
Can brushing too hard hurt our gums?
Yes, brushing too hard can hurt your gums as well as your teeth. If the force that you apply when you're brushing is too hard, it can make your gums bleed and it can also damage your teeth. So you have to be very gentle but proper.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
How often shall we visit a dentist?
Ideally every 6 months, but even if you're able to do it once a year, it is very good.
Did people in ancient times brush like we do now?
No, there were no brushes at that time. So they have to go back to the natural resources which were available. Very commonly is neem datun. Okay?
Sir, can you tell us some more?
Yes. So they used to go and pluck these neem sticks, okay?
Yes.
And they used to chew on it, make it very soft like the brushes what we have. And then they used to scrub and clean all their teeth and gums using that stick. Okay?
Okay,
It was
sir.
natural also and it was very effective also.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
I've heard that people sometimes use clove when their tooth hurts.
Yes.
Is it true that clove prevents toothache?
Sometimes when the problem is not very severe, it can have some relief for a very short time. But if there is any problem which is existing there, you have to visit a dentist for the treatment. That will only make it go away.
Okay, sir. Is charcoal toothpaste better than regular toothpaste?
Not necessarily. Any toothpaste will do if you're doing the brushing part very properly.
Okay.
Okay.
A bit personal question, so doctor don't mind.
Yes.
But what is in your toothpaste?
My toothpaste, any regular toothpaste. There is no special toothpaste.
Okay, sir.
Anything which is commercially available, you're cleaning the teeth properly using that toothpaste and you rinse it out properly. You are not supposed to swallow any toothpaste. Okay?
Okay.
But there are no special toothpastes.
Okay, sir. Doctor, which is more effective, an electric toothbrush or a manual one?
If you can do the brushing properly with manual toothbrush, that is also very good. Okay? But electric one are also good.
Okay, sir.
But there is a difference here. With the electric toothbrush, we feel that brush is doing the job. Okay?
Okay.
So that will make us very lazy. We will just take the brush and keep it someplace and we will think, okay, very good brushing is happening. Okay? You still have to move your hand, go to each and every corner, each and every tooth to clean it. Okay?
Okay.
So both the brushes are good, but you have to take that effort to reach all the places which are available, all the teeth, upper, lower, front, back, and clean them properly.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Both are good.
Time to uncover more. Over to Aniket, who will take a deep dive and give us some fresh info.
Hi Aniket, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. So tell me, do you have anything for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is it?
Sir, we have some questions for you.
Okay, please go ahead.
Hi, everyone. I'm Aniket. It's time to brush like a pro. And let's find out the correct way to do it.
Doctor, can you tell us the correct way to brush?
Yes. So the basic rule is with your brush, you have to clean and scrub your teeth. All the teeth. Okay? Upper, lower, front and back. Right? So whenever a child who is very small, they cannot do very complex hand movements while brushing. Okay? So for a child, the rule is to go in a circular motion. Okay? It is easy how you make a circle on a paper. Right? There's a paper, there's a pen in your hand, you make a circle. Right? You know how to make a circle. Right? Because that is an easy skill. Okay? So you make that circle on a paper, you learn that habit and you take a brush. That same circle habit you have to move on your teeth. So circle, circle, circle. You have to start from one spot, go to the next spot, then come to the next jaw, start from one area, go to the next. Why is this important? Because if you are doing it randomly, that means sometimes here, sometimes there, you may miss one or two teeth in the middle. Okay? So start from one area, circle, 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 reach the next end. And then change your jaw. And you have to do this circular motion on both the surfaces, outer as well as inner surface of the teeth. Okay? So for kids, it is circular motion. Okay? For adults, it is different. Okay? That I will tell you separately when you are an adult. Okay?
Thank you, doctor. It was really informative.
Thank you.
Time to put on our myth busting helmets. Let's get ready to bust some dental myths.
Okay. So do we have myths?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please go ahead one by one.
Milk or baby teeth don't require brushing. Is it true?
No, it is false. Any tooth, the moment it comes in the mouth, will require cleaning. Even if it is a small baby. But when they are very small, we use very soft silicone brush. They are available as finger brushes. Okay, like how we put on gloves, we have those silicone brushes which mother or father puts on their finger and they start cleaning the teeth. The moment they erupt or they come out in the mouth. And as they come out, all the teeth, they require cleaning. Okay, by brushing.
Some people say chewing bubble gum is bad for our teeth. Is it so?
It's not good, it's not bad, it is not required actually. Okay, so if it is a sugary gum, the sugar will harm the teeth. If it is non-sugary and it is there in your mouth and you are chewing on it, there is one benefit, one indirect benefit. Okay, I'll tell you that. So whenever you have something which is in your mouth and you are chewing on it, the body releases more saliva. You know what is saliva? right? It's that liquid which is available in the mouth, okay? And with that extra saliva, our teeth get a defense from that, okay? It gets ready to fight the bacteria and germs, okay? That is the only benefit. Otherwise, chewing gums, they do not play much role in our diet, right? They are not nutritious, right?
I even heard flossing is only for grown-ups.
No, flossing is for everyone. Wherever there is a tight spot in between the teeth and your brush is unable to reach there and clean that area, flossing is required. Okay, so even if we are using it by brush or by flossing, the concept is to clean your teeth. Okay, each and every part of your teeth. So flossing is also for babies, but adults are supposed to do it because kids are not trained well to use a floss. Okay, yes.
Dentists only fix cavities. Is it true?
To a very large extent, but that is not the only function or role. Okay, the first job of a dentist is to educate people, like how we are having this talk, right? So I am trying to clear your doubts so that I can prevent you from getting a cavity, right? So as they say, prevention is the best policy. Yes, so if you can prevent some problem to happen in the first time, that is the best thing to do. So that is the primary role of a dentist. But let's say you are in, or your tooth is already in a trouble or problem, which is cavity, or maybe they are crooked, they are not better aligned, then dentist can make it better.
So, salt and lemon can be used to clean our teeth. Can we skip brushing?
No, we should not combine lemon and salt and directly use it on our teeth. There is a reason. The lemon can actually act on the mineral part of your teeth. It can dissolve the mineral. That enamel layer, what I told you about in the initially. So that enamel may be weakened, and with the particles of salt, you can actually hurt your teeth. So first of all, it cannot replace it, right? And secondly, it can be harmful if it is done with lot of force. So ideally, it should be avoided.
Chewing neem twigs is better substitute of brushing. Once I even tried, it was bitter.
It was bitter, yes. So you have to develop that habit, okay? And it takes a lot of time and effort to get those neem twigs and those sticks, make it soft. But that bitter juice that we get out of the neem, that has lot of health benefits as well, okay? But if you can brush it with a neem datun, they used to call it, okay? So if you can do it with that properly, it does very good job. But since the brushing and toothpaste is very easy to do and very readily available in the house, and you can do it in probably 4 to 5 minutes, we go for that. But both are good and both are valid.
Natural remedies never have side effects.
No, they can have side effects. You have to know the ingredient and the method of using that natural ingredient, otherwise you should avoid it. Okay, so you should have knowledge before accepting any natural remedy or means.
Clove oil can cure all types of tooth pain.
Not all type of tooth pains. It can have some temporary pain relief in a few situations, but not all the situation.
Wow, that was really informative for me and my listeners.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you again, Doctor, for a precious time and for this amazing information. We will surely keep this in mind while brushing.
Thank you so much.
Brush in the morning, brush at night. Floss and rinse to keep things right. Eat your veggies, skip the go. Your teeth will sparkle just like new. Thanks for turning into Flossy Fact Show. A big thank you to Doctor and all our listeners.
Thank you.
And remember, a dazzling, healthy smile is our happiest smile. See you on the next Flossy Fact Show. Bye-bye.
Hi. So I have a small message for all the kids who are listening and their parents. First of all, teeth are very important because they will help you with the nutrition and aesthetics and speech the other functions of it, but nutrition is the key. If you are not able to chew your food properly, it will not be digested. So this is the source of energy for us. And taking care of teeth is not only the child's responsibility, it is the parents' responsibility also. Because as they are young and they are excited and energetic, they tend to lose focus on almost everything, and brushing and taking care of teeth and maybe their diet habit is a very common thing which is missing nowadays. So a repeated but polite reminder to them that this is good for your teeth and your health is very important. And you will be surprised to know that you, like I'm talking to the parents also have so many bad habits which they can also rectify in this process of teaching their kids. So if the parents are having good habits, they will be better transferred to the kids. And that is a primary responsibility of all of us as parents. So please work on it. They are important. And I'm sure you'll do very good with it. Thank you.